Xbrowser is a free anti-detect tool you can access with our proxy plans. To download Xbrowser, go to the Decodo dashboard and head to the Tools section. Click the Download button, then install the program and launch it. Press Login with Browser. A new browser window will open. Click Login to Xbrowser. This connects your Decodo account to the application. Now, there are two ways to use the browser. With Quick Connect, you only need to select the proxy type and proxy user. Once ready, hit Start Session, and you'll be taken to Decodo IP Checker site. Here you can see your browser fingerprinting details. To visit other websites using the same parameters, just enter the URLs in the search bar. When you're done, head to the Home tab, press Quick Connect Active, and click Stop Session. If you'd like to specify your profile parameters in more detail, set up a new profile manually. Start by pressing New Profile. Name the profile for easier management. Choose your preferred proxy type from your active plans. I'll go with residential proxies, then select a proxy user. Note that you can create and modify your proxy users in the dashboard. Next, choose your proxy protocol. Then pick the session type. Note that other parameters like proxy location or advanced targeting will be available depending on your active subscription. Below, you'll see the fingerprint settings. Start by choosing the platform for your new profile. Pick the language and either enable or disable JavaScript rendering. The final section is Detailed Settings, which is optional. First, enter the URL of the default website your profile will go to when you run it. You can also add a description for easier profile management. When you're done setting up your parameters, click Create Profile, then hit Start Session. As you can see, the website you chose as the default will automatically open up. You can use your profile on other websites by simply changing the URL. You may run multiple websites at the same time and have multiple profiles active simultaneously. To check whether your profile parameters appear as you selected, press the fingerprint icon in the top right corner. When you're done with your session, go to the Home tab and stop any active sessions. You can delete your Xbrowser profiles anytime by clicking the trash bin icon, or edit them by pressing here. For more guides on how to integrate our products, visit Decodo YouTube channel and documentation.